Today, I'm going to show you how to close a door, because some of you in the comments were wondering it. So first you place the door in front of you, and it's actually very simple. You use your hand, you grab the doorknob, and then you push it towards yourself, and then it should close, and then that's really how you close the door. If you want to lock a door, you have to get the key, put it in where you have to put it in. Then pull it right. Then you should hear a click, and then put it back. Take it out. Now it should be locked. And if you want to unlock it, then you just put the key in and push it left, back, and open. Guys, I hope you liked that tutorial, and if you have anything else that you want to know, then just tell me in the comments down below. Bye.